Ischemic heart disease. Ischemic heart disease. Ischemic means that an organ, for example, the heart, is not getting enough blood and oxygen. Ischemic heart disease, also called coronary heart disease or coronary artery disease, is the term given to heart problems caused by narrowed heart, coronary, arteries that supply blood to the heart muscle. Number 2. Cerebrovascular disease. Cerebrovascular disease refers to a group of conditions, diseases, and disorders that affect the blood vessels and blood supply to the brain. If a blockage, malformation, or hemorrhage prevents the brain cells from getting enough oxygen, brain damage can result. Number 3. Lower respiratory infections. Lower respiratory tract infections are any infections in the lungs or below the voice box. These include pneumonia, bronchitis, and tuberculosis. A lower respiratory tract infection can affect the airways, such as with bronchitis, or the air sacs at the end of the airways, as in the case of pneumonia. Number 4. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, is a type of obstructive lung disease characterized by long-term breathing problems and poor airflow. The main symptoms include shortness of breath and cough with sputum production. Number 5. Diarrheal disease. Diarrheal diseases are a collection of diseases caused by multiple viral, bacterial, and parasitic organisms that share the common symptom of diarrhea, defined as the passage of 3 or more loose or liquid stools per day. Number 6. HIV disease. HIV is a virus that damages the immune system. The immune system helps the body fight off infections. Untreated HIV infects and kills CD4 cells, which are a type of immune cell called T cells. Over time, as HIV kills more CD4 cells, the body is more likely to get various types of infections and cancers. Number 7. Trachea, bronchus, lung cancers. The most common cause is smoking, which is responsible for about 90% of lung cancer cases. Quitting smoking can lower your risk. Exposure to second-hand smoke can also raise the risk of developing lung cancer. Number 8. Tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is a disease caused by bacteria called Mycobacterium tuberculosis. The bacteria usually attack the lungs, but they can also damage other parts of the body. TB spreads through the air when a person with TB of the lungs or throat coughs, sneezes, or talks. Number 9. Diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus, commonly known as diabetes, is a group of metabolic disorders characterized by a high blood sugar level over a prolonged period of time. Symptoms often include frequent urination, increased thirst, and increased hunger. If left untreated, diabetes can cause many complications. Number 10. Hypertensive heart disease. Hypertensive heart disease refers to heart conditions caused by high blood pressure. The heart working under increased pressure causes some different heart disorders. Hypertensive heart disease includes heart failure, thickening of the heart muscle, coronary artery disease,